Hello and welcome to Tularis University. In this video, we'll show you how to use XPressEntry on Android to read an NFC card. Now we assume in this video that you have XPressEntry installed, which you see in the middle of my screen. And here I have a Samsung device connected through Visor on the right-hand side of my screen. Now the first thing you want to do is to enable the NFC on XPressEntry. So let's go into XPressEntry here and let us go into Reader Profiles. And let us go into the handheld functionality and want to select NFC enabled. Now, once you select this option, you will see an extra option called the Smart Card Settings, and you want to select My Fair Android under this settings. Now, you can choose to let XPressEntry use the weekend formats to pick out the cards. And this means that it would go into the weekend format, and whichever card type you've presented, if it's a 32-bit card, it will use the format for that specific card type. In my case, I'm using a My Fair 32-bit card, and I will be using that for the test. So now the next thing you want to do is to go into your smartphone, and you want to go into the settings of your smartphone. And here I'll just go into the settings. And you want to go and look for the NFC settings. You can either go into the main settings and search for NFC, or if you have an icon like I do here, you just select NFC and enable it. Now, once you have your NFC enabled, all you have to do is to present your card. The NFC would pass the data into XPressEntry just like a keyboard entry, and then we will pass that data through the weekend settings because I've selected that on my settings and interpret the card. So as you can see, this is the card that I've passed through the settings through my weekend 32-bit settings on XPressEntry. And if I just want the raw data from the card, I can just go back into the settings. And I can go back into the reader profiles, select the smart card settings, and I can just say I don't want to use the weekend settings. And this will just bring out the raw data on the card when I present my badge. Now remember that you can use only My Fair cards with NFC. You can either read the sectors of the cards, or you can just present the raw data on the card, the serial number that comes with the card, and you can use that for an entry in XPressEntry. Now let's add this card number into a record to see how this works. I'll just re-enable this weekend formats, and let's see how that works for me. Let's go into this user and add the number. I just add a badge. The number is 824-11907. And it's really as simple as this. This works with your card, and you can use that to do entry or exit on our system. Now remember that this device can only read the My Fair cards, whereas our system can read a wide range of cards. I'm going to demonstrate reading this My Fair card on our system on the left here. Remember that our system, our handheld device XPID 200, is able to read a wider range of cards, and you have the flexibility of switching between technology. Now this brings an end to the demonstration of this feature. Please feel free to reach out to us at helpdesk@tularis.com for any technical queries, or sales@tularis.com for any product inquiries. Thank you.